Yo, what's good, y'all? Smooth Trader here, bringing y'all my very first video. And it's looking like it's probably gonna be kind of trash because I'm driving around doing this, but I'm here to give y'all some content. I'm slacking. I should have made this video a couple days ago, but we just had Memorial Weekend, so I've been doing a lot, been going crazy. But regardless of all that, this video is here and it's brought to you because we about to do this $100,000 challenge with Ftmo, and we're gonna pass this challenge, and we're gonna show you exactly how we pass this challenge, and we're gonna document every single step of the way, so you could possibly pass the challenge as well if you want to do it yourself, get this financial freedom, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff, buy a whole bunch of great things, you know what I'm saying, travel crazy places, everything that you want to do right now that you can't do at your current job. So we're gonna get into this challenge. We're gonna show you how possible it is, how disciplined you got to be, the type of trading setup that I use and that I will be using to stay consistent with this challenge and to pass it. And hopefully we can do it pretty quickly too. It's a 10-day minimum as far as your trading days, so hopefully we could bust it out within that 10 days, or maybe we might do it within 5 days and just do like some bullshit trades to finish off all the way to the 10. But regardless, got my dog in the back, he chilling. Yeah, he ready to get this money, so hope y'all ready too. Let's get it. All right, so as I was saying, here we go. Ftmo $100,000 challenge. Let's get it. Right now we are showing 100,560 as the balance because I actually took a trade the first day that I got the account, which was September 5th. That's why you see the end date being October 5th, because it is the end of the challenge will be 30 days. So you got 30 days to do this thing. I mean, you could really take your time and, you know what I'm saying, really trade the correct way. But regardless, I actually didn't trade the correct way starting out because I was trading that Labor Day and I was trading the USD pair, but nevertheless the low was on my side and we came out in profit. So currently we're sitting at 100,560, and we actually have the trade running right now from this US session today of September 7th. So let's roll into that. So before we get into this morning's trade, I want to go over yesterday's trade, which was a buy on Euro USD. It was like a, there you go, 1-to-1 risk for the most part. Not too good on the risk ratio. We're playing it off of this highlighted liquidity level from a push off of a daily liquidity level that was once holding as resistance, that is now support. And we pretty much took it to this most recent daily liquidity high, and we took our profit there, in which now for this morning session we started looking for our sales and actually got into a sell currently that we have running. But yeah, that's the little buy that I took. You can see how it really wasn't doing anything during that London session. I'm sorry, during that US session, because of the Labor Day that we had going on. But let's go ahead and step into this morning's trade that we currently have running right now. All right, so here we go. Currently running 500 in profit, Euro USD, in a sell with a 5 standard. Here's my trading history. I only got 1 trade, 2 trades once I close this one in the books for this Ftmo challenge right now. A little bit over 1,000 in profit total. And yeah, I'm just taking the sell off of that daily liquidity level that we just took profit on from the buy. So I'm going to break this down on TradingView for y'all, because that's actually how I like to use my analysis. So here on TradingView, like I just highlighted that lower daily liquidity level, it was once resistance, so it should not play as support. We're looking for that to be our final take profit level. We can see here on our 4-hour that we had one lower liquidity level that was playing out as support to keep it in a buy phase. We wanted to break that so we could get some type of sell confirmations, in which we got that during our London US crossover. These yellow vertical lines actually show those time sessions. So the first one will be London, the middle darker one, of course, the London US crossover, and then the last one will be US. So here you can see during the London session, we had a nice order block that formed at the end of the London session, and then just completely dropped down to that lower liquidity to wipe out that liquidity, grab that, and now we're testing it, and we actually created another 1 hour order block within that 2 hour window that I really like to look for my trades in during that London US crossover. And yeah, we got a 1 hour order block formed off of that we should be retesting, or at least testing that highlighted liquidity level from the 4 hour, and we should see a continued push to the downside. So here I'm just going down to a lower time frame, 15 minutes, checking it out. Here you could still highlight some more liquidity levels. So you can see how it shows on the 15 minute when we was pushing down from that daily high liquidity into the 4 hour support. We made a sort of a double bottom, and then kind of just kept selling and pushing through that, and then eventually made that strong push actually through that liquidity level, and now coming up and is holding as resistance and keeping price down. So yeah, just got highlighted right here, and then of course we could keep modifying that. We could keep moving it down as we see more liquidity being formed. So here will be our last high. I will actually put my stop loss right above that, and yeah, anything above that will pull me out of the trade. So you could do that, or you could walk it down with a nice trailing stop. So you could always be in profit, you know what I'm saying? Never really have to watch your charts. So here, if you move it down right here, you can see that liquidity level, and we're coming up making sort of like a triple top, or what you consider head and shoulders maybe. So yeah, with that being shown as somewhat of a reversal pattern from a small pullback from the push down that we're currently getting. So yeah, I want to see it finish off and just continue down to that downside and hit that daily liquidity low. What's up, y'all? We back. So the market pulled back and pulled us out for a take profit. You know what I'm saying? It came back and hit our stop loss though, right above that liquidity level that we had mapped out on the 15 minute. So it put us out for $300 around 1.1851, and our Ftmo account is now sitting at a current balance of 100,845. So that's pretty much it for these first 2 days of trading. Right now I'm gonna wait until London session opens up, and yeah, look for our next trading opportunities, and hopefully we hit big. We're coming up to midweek, Wednesday, Thursday, when the market really starts moving, so I'm expecting something.